प्यारे बच्चों, dear children, I have made 3 videos from chapter industry, manufacturing industry. First topic, introduction of manufacturing industry and importance of manufacturing industry. Second topic, manufacturing localization. What factors favor for locating industry? And third topic, classification of industry. Now, I am going to here teach you about industrial location, industrial regions. What are the regions? Which regions attract for establishment of several industry? I have already taught that the factors like natural factors, that is known as geographical factor, that is raw material, availability of raw material, suitable climate, market, they are human factors, market, huge capital, sufficient capital, power resource, electricity, skilled labor, etc. Due to availability of natural as well as geographical factors, इंडस्ट्री आर अट्रैक्टेड. उन्हीं क्षेत्रों में इंडस्ट्री का लोकेशन अधिक होता है, इंडस्ट्री का एस्टैब्लिशमेंट अधिक होता है जिन क्षेत्रों में या तो ज्योग्राफिकल फैक्टर और ह्यूमन फैक्टर दोनों मिलते हैं. तो उस रीजन का नाम क्या है? इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन, औद्योगिक क्षेत्र बोलते हैं. तो अब मैं पढ़ाऊंगा विश्व में कौन कौन से और अपने देश में कौन कौन से इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन्स हैं. तो इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन्स, industrial regions. I would like to define industrial regions. Industrial regions refer to availability of almost all factors factors like thus this is the definition of industrial region, right? Now industrial regions of the world. अब इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन्स वर्ल्ड में कौन कौन इंपॉर्टेंट है? फर्स्ट, वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका. वेस्टर्न कोस्ट ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका. दिस रीजन इंक्लूड्स Boston, Frankfurt, Pittsburgh, Manchester, Philadelphia, न्यूयॉर्क, etc. Children, you see here, western coast of North America, this is one of the important industrial regions of the world. This region includes Boston, Frankfurt, Pittsburgh, Manchester, Philadelphia, New York, etc. They are the industrial regions. This region attracts establishment of safer industry because all the regions have almost all the factors which are essentially required for setting of industry. Right? Now, second region, Western and Central Europe. Central Europe. Western and Central Europe. Western Europe includes here France, Germany, Italy, and UK. France, Germany, Italy, and UK, they are the important Western European countries which have several industrial regions. Okay? So this is one of those, which is also one of the important industrial regions of the world. Third, Eastern Asia. Eastern Asia, this region includes China, Japan, North Korea. They are important industrial regions. Here, now Southern Asia includes India, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. Southern Asia, India, Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, and Indonesia. They are the important industrial regions of Southern Asia. Thus, they are the 4 industrial regions of the world. Now, in India, अब अपने कंट्री में, भारत में कौन कौन सी इंपोर्टेंट इंडस्ट्रियल रीजन्स हैं? फर्स्ट, मुंबई पुणे रीजन, सेकंड, अहमदाबाद, वडोदरा, सूरत रीजन, अहमदाबाद, वडोदरा, सूरत रीजन. थर्ड, दिल्ली, मेरठ, गुड़गांव रीजन. फोर्थ, छोटा नागपुर रीजन. फिफ्थ, हुगली रीजन. सिक्स्थ, विशाखापट्टनम, गुंटूर रीजन. चेन्नई, बंगलुरु रीजन एट कोलम, पूनम रीजन। 10 दे आर द इम्पोर्टेंट 8 रीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया। वर्ल्ड के और इंडिया के कौन कौन से इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन्स हैं? इन्हीं क्षेत्रों में बहुत तरह से वैरायटी इंडस्ट्री आर रनिंग। थैंक यू वेरी मच।